Next up, we have Kahoot. I decided to use Kahoot because I had used it in some professional development meetings and also during tech meetings. I've seen people use it, and some other teachers use it in my school. So on Kahoot, it's kind of tricky because there are two different websites. So if you want to play the game, you would go to kahoot.it. And then, so this is what the kids would go to, and then they would get the pin for the game and enter the pin and then play the game. As a teacher, you want to go to kahoot.com. You log in, and then it gives you all sorts of different things that you can do. You can create quizzes, you can create surveys. Let's see. There we are. So you can create your own. Whoop. Sorry. You can create your own. So when you go here, you can create a quiz, a jumble, or a survey. It's all really simple to make. Or you can actually discover some. So you can go through and just browse what they have, the quizzes or surveys they already have made, or you can search and find anything that you want. If it's not made, you can create it. The kids, once you're done, they can give you reports on the quizzes that the kids took, so you can see who answered what question correctly, what did they answer on each question. So it's like an online quiz.